Good morning, guys. Today it's cooking time again. And now I'm gonna cook ginisang papaya with ground pork, okay? So these are all the ingredients. You need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, papaya sliced like this, and then the coconut milk, and then onions, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, spring onions, and the ground pork. I'm not going to put oil because this one is like there's a fat. Okay. Okay, so this is it. We'll let the meat or the ground pork is going to be cooked because there's a lot of fat in it. Okay. Okay. The meat is cooked. And there's a little oil. So we're gonna saute the garlic. And then the onions, the ginger, and all the tanang lamas. Ako na ibutang guys kay luto naman ang ground pork, guys. A little soy sauce, just a little black pepper, some salt. Okay. Then add a coconut milk. Okay, guys, and now we're gonna simmer until the papaya is cooked. Okay. Okay, guys, so we're gonna cover first and simmer for how many minutes? Look at that one, guys. It's already cooked, guys. That's our ginataang papaya with ground pork. It's done. So it's tasting time. I'm gonna taste this one with the ground pork. Okay. Yummy, guys. Then I'm gonna garnish. Okay, so that's our ginataang papaya with ground pork. It's done. And it's super yummy, guys. So ginataang papaya with ground pork is done. It's super yummy and it's affordable and it's very quick, easy to make. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.